Hello Disney family, this is Duke Family Chronicles and I'm Tim, this is Brielle, Keegan, and my wife Cherie. And we're bringing you today also a continuation of our day one of our Disney fantasy trip, which is the Sail Away Party.
We thought it'd be fun to show some snippets from the Sail Away Party. This is for our family, one of the ways we get our vacation sort of kick-started. It's really awesome to be out on deck and see most everybody out there, and then actually you'll see as the party progresses different characters, meet some of the cruise staff that you'll see later on during the cruise, and then most of all you start sailing away, which is my favorite part. So we hope that you'll enjoy this video, and that maybe if you haven't cruised, this will inspire you to want to get on board with Disney, and if you have, it'll relive some memories for you.
It really does get you excited, or particularly when they count down, as you'll see at the end here. It really kind of gets you into the mood. They used to give you these little flag things. They didn't in this particular video. I think our last one we did that.
Yeah, little sparkly things for the kids to shake around.
They each have different ones, so this one is not, I think, what now they have on the Wonder. They have some new ones, but they all have the same kind of thing, try to get you into the mood of now you're going and you're sailing away and having fun. And you get to hear the Disney horns.
It's your guys' rendition of it.
I've also, it's very hot out there in this day.
Yes, it is so hot.
And I really wonder how those characters deal with that stuff.
Yeah,
Man,
absolutely.
because they do it at Disney World too, but.
You can see the performers after they've danced and everything, how hot they are. I kind of feel bad for them. Absolutely. But they make it fun and they keep their energy up. They don't seem to let the weather affect them whatsoever.
Mm-hmm.
And then
they want to make us have fun.
Well, I know it's always fun for you at the end. You'll see them push out the...
Them?
Not
her.
You two.
Oh, you two. The streamers.
Scrambling for the streamers.
Why kids go for streamers, confetti, any paper goods. It's in the theaters too, but all of them, you'll see them all scrambling and trying to get little scraps of paper to take back to the stateroom.
You almost have to have a separate suitcase for it because of confetti and the streamers.
Sailing away on a wondrous journey, beginning today. It's warm and exciting. The sea is inviting us all to go sailing away.
All right, it's time to welcome some of our favorite Disney prince. Here's a little lady with the big itinerary. It's Minnie Mouse.
And here's a couple of crazy guys who are out to have some fun. It's Chip and Dale.
Here's a gal with a real flair for fashion. It's Daisy Duck.
And why do you always forget about me?
Oh, we could never forget about you, Donald.
Don't forget about us either.
And Goofy and Pluto.
What up, dogs? Last.
Hi, folks. Come on, everybody. Let's sail away. We are sailing away.
Let's go.
On a wondrous journey beginning today. It's warm and exciting. The sea is inviting us all to go sailing away. Are you ready, gang?
This is gonna be exciting.
We're all together. That's right. Under bright and sunny weather. Splashing in the sun, our adventure's just begun. There's so much more in store, waiting on the shore.
Just delighting and inviting. Port adventures are so exciting. Let the energy you feel spin around you like the wheel. For the spirit of the moment, nothing else could be so real.
Let me myself beside you. Leave your worries far away. The trip with friends beside you, it will really make your day. Everybody conga, conga.
Let's conga!
Everybody conga, conga.
Oh, this is fun!
Everybody conga, conga.
It's a party!
Maybe, oh maybe,
Yeah!
for adventures call, for all cruises big and small. Tell us maybe.
Whoopee!
Okay, fellas, hit it! The clown with his pants falling down, or the pants. That's the dream of romance, or the scene where the villain is green. That's entertainment. The lights on the lady in tights, or the bride, with a guy on her side, or the ball. Oh, she gives him a roll. Feet don't fail me now. Who let the dog out?
It's everybody's favorite flirty animal, Bruno!
All right, it's time to get you all in on the action. Decks 11 and 12. It's time to dance.
Sailing away on a wondrous journey beginning today. Sailing away on a wondrous journey beginning today. Each moment exciting, the sea is inviting us all to sailing away.
All right, this is the time you all been waiting for. Now it's time to sound the ship's horn. Count down with me.
3, 2, 1. Please sail.
So I hope you enjoyed the sail away party and got you in the mood to do some Disney sailing. So Keegan, take us out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell.
Bye.